Essentials of instructional design. Instructional design models. Instructional design models are evidence-based. They provide guidelines to create and implement efficient, effective, and engaging learning materials and experiences. Some of the popular models are ADDIE, Merrill's Principles of Instruction, Gagner's 9 Events of Instruction, Dick and Carey model, Kemp design model, and rapid prototyping. Among these, ADDIE is the most commonly used model for creating learning material. We will discuss the ADDIE model in detail as this model forms the basis upon which other models are designed. The ADDIE model. ADDIE is an acronym for the 5 phases of the model, namely analyze, design, develop, implement, and evaluate. The ADDIE model is generic enough that it can be used to create any type of learning experience for any audience, from creating K-12 teaching lessons to developing corporate training programs. The analysis phase includes profiling the learners, identifying the needs of the learners, establishing the instructional problem, and identifying the skill gaps that need to be filled. The design phase includes selecting the instructional strategies and outlining the learning objectives. The content structure, subject matter analysis, assessments, delivery methods, etc. are also finalized during this phase. Next comes the development phase, where the end product for the learners, that is, the learning materials, are actually created. Content is laid out visually, graphics and other visual elements are created, assessments are created, and videos are recorded. At the end of the development phase, the learning materials are carefully reviewed and are ready to be released to the learners. Then comes the implementation phase, when the learning environment is organized and the course is rolled out to the learners. In the evaluation phase, the instructional designers collaborate with the client and evaluate the impact of the course through learner feedback and analytics. Let's look at some advantages and disadvantages of ADDIE. Advantages. ADDIE is commonly used and widely accepted model. It's proven to be effective for human learning. It is the foundation for other learning models. Time and cost can be easily measured in this model. Disadvantages. ADDIE is a rigidly linear process that must be followed in order. It is time-consuming and costly. The model is not flexible to adapt to unforeseen project changes. It does not allow for iterative design. Now let's get a bird's eye view of 2 more popular instructional design models. Merrill's Principles of Instruction. Merrill's Principles highlight that learning is promoted when 1. Learners are engaged in solving real-world problems. 2. Existing knowledge is activated as a foundation for new knowledge. 3. New knowledge is demonstrated to the learner. 4. New knowledge is applied by the learner. 5. New knowledge is integrated into the learner's world. Gagner's 9 Events of Instruction. Robert Gagner's 9 Events of Instruction model is designed to address the conditions of learning. The 9 events of instruction are 1. Gain the student's attention. 2. Inform students of the objectives. 3. Stimulate recall of prior learning. 4. Present the content. 5. Provide learner guidance. 6. Elicit performance. 7. Provide feedback. 8. Assess performance. 9. Enhance retention and transfer to the job. This was about instructional design models. We shall understand how people think and learn when we meet next.